Not the one, only Richie unwinding. I don't know what we're doing so far. Right now, trailer.
Yeah, it's like, this is Andrew. Oh my god, I got dirt in my mouth. Yeah, so we're hauling picnic tables, I think. So yeah, there they are.
This was Bob like 2 months ago.
Yeah. Alright, we'll start here.
So right here, we just stacked the tables up. Down, and then we're gonna, I don't know where we're riding, but we're either riding right there or in the bed of the truck.
Oh, not.
I'm definitely gonna fall off and get like crushed underneath this thing. Rich boy and city boy over there got front seat. Said he called shotgun. I didn't hear a thing though.
Out of here, we're gonna be putting up these fences for the.
So just unloaded all these tables and spreaded them all out up here and here, and we're gonna go back to get one more load. I had these kids sitting in the bed of the truck. I was in the driver's seat.
This is not Subway Surfers.
This is gonna be for the haymakers. That's all lined up and stuff. But huh?
I love the K-Mate so much, dude. I remember.
Only if you don't want to do anything.
Yeah, only if you don't want to do anything. But also, all the dudes in there are so chill that came in for the customers.
Yeah, it's true. Do you guys think when we are old enough, do you want to work the hay ride?
Oh hell yeah, for sure, yeah.
That's my plan. So they already got a bunch of pumpkins. We're gonna pass it, but they already got a bunch of pumpkins up in here. I guess we already passed the patch. Yeah, they had a bunch. Yeah, but like there was like an opening where you could like see. But we're gonna get one more load of the tables, and then we'll get that all sorted in. So yeah, so we're heading to another scene now, and where the hayride would be. So it's gonna be a little bit of a trip to the woods area. So we'll do a time check. Oh my god.
All right, what are we doing here, Michael?
We're gonna send this kid down the hill. Michael, please don't do it. Oh my god! Yo! Oh my god! Oh my lord. No! No! Oh.
Not fast enough. All right.
What, do you want to something like that? Alright, guys.
I don't think it's worth trusting me, bro.
Just push him in.
Holy shit. I gotta push you at the same time. You're like so hyped. Michael, I think it's your turn.
Not as well.
More like it's Michael.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Yo, shit.
Yo, faster this time.
Yo, it's a boat.
A boat? Didn't Richie say he's gonna come back?
Yeah.
They got a football too. They got a b-ball.
I used to shoot hoops in my day.
We're putting up wooden like boards and posts behind this wall to hook up, like to support the wall. So we just did that now, and yeah, so we just finished that up. We're probably gonna be done our shift in about like I don't know, maybe 10-15 minutes. Beautiful sunset. Let me focus on that. Beautiful sunset right now. So been here for about like 4 hours around that time. So maybe around 5 too. So we'll be wrapping up soon and then clock out, and that'll be the video. But it's not over yet. So once it's over, then we'll finish up. But yeah. So we just finished up our shift, taking the walk back to the shop, and then we're gonna clock out and head home. Oh, little frog. We're gonna head home, and then there's a football game tonight, so we're gonna, it already started, but we're working right now, but a little bit later we're gonna head to the football game, so that'll be fun. They have they got a pump going on here, so yeah, that's doing its work right now, but yeah, no, we're gonna finish that, and I'll start this video again when we head back to the shop. So, hello, bro. Please. Leave nothing. Alright, so where's yours? Did Andrew clock out? Yeah, he did. Okay. Alright, so that was today's video, everyone. I thank you all for watching, and have a nice day.
Commander in for the PAT, Danny Geist the